Is this the greens of Europe, or the tropics of Bali, or the vineyards of France? Well, no. This is India, and if you wonder where this paradise is in India, come along and take the journey with us to Bengaluru's Big Banyan Vineyards. Around 30 kilometers and an hour away from Bengaluru, we first reached Dodda Alada Mara, the iconic 400-year-old tree. Dodda Alada Mara literally means a big banyan tree and has become a chilling getaway spot for many over the years. After visiting this iconic spot, it was time to head to our destination, the Big Banyan Resort and Vineyards. Hello guys, my name is Varna and today Team Things to Do has reached an exciting destination, Big Banyan Vineyard, for an exclusive vineyard staycation. So let's get started. Experience true luxury at the ranch in their traditionally styled cottages based on the famed architecture of Kerala. They also have an open shower and a private courtyard. Big Banyan also has a huge swimming pool which is perfect if you're in a splashing mood or just want a breezy spot to relax. We are now at the Big Banyan Vineyard, which is spread across 4 acres, and we'll be taking a stroll through it. It is from this vineyard that the grapes for wines are grown and plucked, which are then sent ahead for distillation. After a stroll through the vineyard, we are now heading towards the wine tasting room to taste some of the finest wines by Big Banyan. At the wine tasting room, we tasted 6 exotic wines by Big Banyan and learned about the nuances of wine appreciation by an expert sommelier. I also learned about the art of swirl, smell and sip and exposed my taste palette to subtle aromatic and tasting notes. After quenching my thirst at the tasting room, I decided to head to ranch and try out some amazing delicacies. We are now at a restaurant called Ranch. Ranch, with its rustic yet aesthetic ambience, is the perfect place for a fun outing, a lazy brunch or a romantic dinner. They have an eclectic range of cuisines from around the world. Their famous thin crust wood-fired pizzas, barbecue of choice meats, and Kerala food is available on demand as well. So let's dig in. We have reached the end of our video. I had a wonderful time at the vineyard, tasted some exotic wines, and of course had a brilliant stay at the property. If you liked the video and want us to make more such videos, like, share and subscribe to Things to Do and stay updated.